2,000 years later.
What's up, YouTube people? You just watched that video from the car meet, and I'm gonna quickly explain why I kinda took a break from YouTube and wasn't really putting that many videos out. So first of all, really got busy with work, lost a bit of motivation from doing YouTube videos, and it was the winter, so there wasn't really that much to film. But as you can see, back on YouTube, back doing the vlogs. I'll try keep it at least one video a week, at least. I promise I'll do one video a week. I promise I'll do that. But today, got the Civic there, got Jamie's BMW, and he's just making some bits. But let's go see what he's doing. Let's go see what he's doing. There's the boy. Right there. At the moment, I do believe that he's making a pipe for his turbo, trying to make an exhaust for his turbo that's just fitted on his BMW drift car. Now if you do remember, Jamie used to have a black, I can't remember what color it was, black, I think it was silver, but it got spray painted black, K-swapped EK, and then he sold that and then he got a BMW drift car. So I'll quickly put in a video of what the EK used to look like. But for now, today, I'm trying to fit these two rear diffuser plates. Don't know if you can see, there we go. Trying to fit these two rear diffuser plates on my bumper, which I've already taken off. There we go, I think it sit somewhere like that. One there, one there. So we're gonna do that, get that done today. Ed might turn up at some point. We're gonna wash the Civic. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying the vlogs. But if you're enjoying the vlogs right now, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button in the bottom. Guess who turned up in the end? Ed turned up with his EK9. Hopefully I'll be doing a full detailed review on the car. I've done videos on the car before, but hopefully I'll be doing a few detailed review on the car. Hopefully we'll let me drive the car. It's sitting somewhere over there. But we'll finish fitting the rear diffuser plates, and I'll quickly show you guys what that looks like. So let's go over there.
Them plugs are just gonna pop out literally instantly.
Are they? It's been so long since I picked up a camera to vlog, so I'm gonna quickly sign off this video. Make sure that you subscribe into the video. If you're enjoying the videos, at least let me know that you like the videos. Tell me what you want to see. But for now, I want to make sure you guys are subscribing, hitting the thumbs up button, so that I know that you're actually watching the videos. Yeah, thumbs up, just like that. But yeah, I'm messy. I need to go get clean. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.